Our canine companions often seem to possess a sixth sense, an uncanny ability to know when we're feeling down, anticipate our every move, or react to sounds we can't even perceive. While it might feel like magic, there's a fascinating science behind what we often call a dog's superpowers. These aren't mystical abilities, but rather highly evolved sensory systems, honed by millions of years of evolution and selective breeding, that allow them to perceive the world in ways we can only dream of. Let's delve into the incredible science behind your dog's extraordinary senses. Welcome to Wags and Whiskers. Perhaps the most renowned of these superpowers is their incredible hearing. A dog's ear is a marvel of biological engineering. They can hear sounds at much higher frequencies than humans, up to 60,000 hertz, compared to our limit of around 20,000 hertz. This means they can hear the ultrasonic whistles used to call them, the high-pitched squeaks of rodents, and even the faint hum of electronic devices we can't detect. Their ear structure also contributes to this prowess. Dogs have 18 or more muscles that control their ears, allowing them to independently rotate and swivel each ear up to 270 degrees. This enables them to pinpoint the exact location of a sound source with remarkable accuracy, even with their eyes closed. Think of their ears as sophisticated satellite dishes, constantly scanning their auditory landscape. Then there's the legendary sense of smell, often considered a dog's primary sense. A dog's olfactory epithelium, the scent-detecting tissue in their nose, is vastly larger and more complex than ours. While humans have about 5 million olfactory receptors, dogs can have up to 300 million. This sheer number, combined with a specialized part of their brain dedicated to processing scents, gives them an olfactory superpower. They can detect odors in concentrations as low as 1 part per trillion, meaning they can smell a teaspoon of a substance diluted in 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. This allows them to detect subtle changes in our body odor that signal illness, stress, or even pregnancy long before we are aware of them. It's how they track scents, find hidden objects, and understand the emotional state of other beings. While dogs' eyesight is often mistakenly believed to be black and white, it's more nuanced. They don't see the full spectrum of colors that humans do. They are essentially dichromatic, meaning they see the world primarily in shades of blue and yellow, similar to a red-green colorblind human. However, where their vision truly excels is in low-light conditions and detecting motion. Their eyes have a higher concentration of rod cells, which are sensitive to light, and a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. This layer acts like a mirror, reflecting light back through the retina, giving their eyes a second chance to absorb the available light. This is why dogs can see much better than humans in dim light, a crucial adaptation for their crepuscular, dawn and dusk, hunting ancestors. They are also incredibly sensitive to movement, reacting to even slight shifts in their visual field. Dogs also possess a sense of taste that, while not as refined as humans, is still noteworthy. They have fewer taste buds than we do, but their preference is generally for savory, umami, and sweet flavors. This preference for sweetness likely stems from their evolutionary past when they would scavenge for fruits and other sweet vegetation. Their sense of taste plays a role in their food preferences and their willingness to consume certain treats. Finally, while not a sense in the traditional way, a dog's proprioception and balance are extraordinary. They're a sense of where their body parts are in space, and their ability to maintain equilibrium allows them to perform incredible feats of agility. Their compact, flexible bodies, strong musculature, and the ability to use their tails for counterbalance enable them to change direction quickly, jump impressive heights, and navigate complex terrains with grace and precision. This finely tuned sense of body awareness is critical for their athleticism and their ability to perform tasks that require intricate coordination. These superpowers are not just curiosities, they are the tools that allow dogs to excel in roles that benefit humans immensely, from guiding the blind and detecting diseases to finding lost individuals and providing unparalleled emotional support. Understanding the science behind these senses deepens our appreciation for our canine companions and the extraordinary ways they interact with and perceive the world around them. If you're amazed by the scientific marvels of your dog's senses, be sure to subscribe to Wags and Whiskers for more fascinating insights into the world of our canine friends.